Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda. This is Creative Crochet with Rhonda, and I am struggling. How do you come back after being away for a whole month? I've never disappeared for this long before, and I'm a little embarrassed by it. I have not given up crocheting, and I have not given up this YouTube channel. I promise you that, and I hope you're still with me. I've tried to figure out how to re-enter and say hi, and I'm sorry for being away for this long, but I do have some backtracking to do. In fact, the next video you will see was something I did back in March. I was just completing a project and starting 2 new ones. I've since completed those, so that goes to show you that I do have some catching up to do. So you will see a jump in time with the next couple of videos, and I hope you enjoy them. I just wanted to put out this short video to come back and say hi, let you know that I'm still here, and I do have some content to show you, some updates. I just feel a little bit bad that I've been gone for this length of time, and I hope you're still with me. So I wanted to say hello again. I hope you're crocheting up some magic and that you will be interested in seeing what I've been up to as well. Take care, have a great day, happy crocheting, and I will be with you very shortly with more videos. And I haven't gone back on my word. I do have a giveaway coming up as well. Just stick around, and that will come up once I've caught up in the things that I'd like to show you. Take care. Bye for now.